Hey there, how's it going? I broke my latch and lock for my Maytag model number MVW6200KW. And at first glance, it looked pretty complicated. I thought I had to remove the whole lid and all that stuff, but surprising, it's really simple. So if you break your latch and to get yourself out of hot water with your wife or partner, let me help you out here real quick. So all you have to do, and I already took the lid off, but you don't have to, is simply unlock it just like that. That little thing comes off, right? There's the broken piece right here. Now you do have to order a new piece, but I got that right here. Simply line it back up, click that bad boy back in there, and you're good to go. Take care.